The next heading progression is going to require 3 players. The 3 players will be in a line, 6 yards apart, one behind the other. First player will have a ball in his hands. He's going to toss the ball up to the middle player, who's going to jump up with an attacking header back into the hands of the tossing player. Then the tossing player will go again up in the air. Well, this time we're going to get up with a flick header in behind us. Then we'll turn and we'll do the same repetition back. Up for an attacking header back into the hands. Then the second toss is a flick header back to the player behind us. The next progression in the heading exercise is the same setup we had before with the 3 players, one behind the other, except for this time we're going to keep the ball in the air. So it's going to be from the first player to the central player, back to the first player, back to the central player with a flick. Vice versa, we'll come back in the other direction. The 3 players will try to keep the ball in the air the entire time. Our next heading progression is going to be 1 player in the center with 3 squares with slightly different distances. Each square has a different point total. The player will receive 3 passes. The tosses will come up in the air. That player is going to get up and try to find one of the 3 squares. Each time he hits a square, he'll get the points associated to that square. The player with the most points after 3 tries will win the game.